10 money habits keeping you poor. Helping kids learn good money habits early on can set them up for a better future. Here are 10 common habits to teach them to avoid. Buying things they don't need. Teach them the difference between things they want and things they need. Spending all their money. Encourage them to save some money for bigger goals. Not having a plan. Help them create a simple plan for how they will spend, save, and share their money. Not knowing where their money goes. Show them how to track their spending so they know what they are buying. Not earning their money. Give them chores or small jobs so they learn that money comes from work. Borrowing money they cannot pay back. Explain that credit cards and loans are not free money. Replacing things that are still good. Teach them to take care of their toys and clothes to save money. Trying to be like their friends. Remind them that they don't need to buy things just because their friends have them. Not thinking about the future. Help them set aside a little money each week for a long-term goal, like a new bike. Ignoring money talk. Be open about money in a simple way and encourage them to ask questions.